to show you how we made this couch. We're going to deconstruct this IKEA futon. It's a standard size, I think it's a full size mattress futon once it's laid out. It doesn't quite fit with our IKEA little kitchen center over there. So we wanted to deconstruct it and reassemble it so that we can just kind of slide the sections together, kind of thread the slats together and stagger them and just make it something flat that we can slide out. So I think that I can undo these brackets here and release each of the frames, each of the sides, and maybe take them apart. Okay, some things came apart and went together beautifully. As you can see, these things all meshed nicely together from this high distance vantage point. Everything looks great. So my problem is, how do I attach these slats to the metal down below? There's, a couple inch gap there. Okay, so what you see here is a kind of a prototype of the design that we want to use for our bed. We actually needed to boost up the one that's underneath. We had to make it match the level of the one behind, so a 2x4 was the proper 1.5 inches to do that. Corey built the legs. This back portion will be stable, it won't move, and this front portion will slide out. And it's really cool, really simple. I'm really psyched with the stuff that he did. So anyway, I'm going to try it out a bunch and see how well it holds together for this test. Oh my gosh, this is working out so well. Here it is in bed mode. I zip tied those front legs on. I taped these slats on, and I slid it out after I moved those legs to the very front that you can see over there. And it is so stable. It looks so nice. So let me see if I can set up my camera to get a video walking across it and how rock solid it is. Alright, as promised, this is the walking demo. And I'm sure you can't see this end of the bed, but I'm actually walking on the very edge of the bottom of the bed. And I'm making my way across the middle just because that's where supports are. Look, all my huge weight on the very end one. Jumping around, really. Thing is rock solid. Oh my gosh, looking at this thing with the mattress on it, it looks amazing. There it is. I'm right at the edge, right by the step. There's the rest of the entry, and there's our little kitchen thing, and we knew this would push right up into it, but it lays really flat. So there it is, squished up a little bit there, flat and smooth. The end. More zip ties. But there's the rear portion that stays stationary and the front portion that slides out. You can see the underneath, the original futon backrest and seat. And here's my other side. So we have a couple little issues, like our seat mounts back here are right in of course, our electrical mess. Our seat mounts are in the way of where this thing needs to slide, and it gets caught up. So we need to figure out some of that stuff, small details, and yeah, but otherwise, you know how to actually attach it, not with hose clamps and zip ties. And here's the finished product. We have a video where we show how we convert it from bed to sofa, so we encourage you to look at that. And please, if you like that video and all these other videos, subscribe to our channel. We're always making more content, and we'd love to hear from you about things you like and things you don't like.